What you doing? Where are we?
Don't know, you know.
We at the Science Center?
No, you know.
Are we at a show?
Science and show.
What's this show about?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Just waiting and waiting and waiting.
I like shows about none.
No, it's about 7 years.
70 years?
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot.
We're gonna have to stay here for 70 years.
Who do you think's 70 years old?
You.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no.
70 years we have to stay here and...
You're looking kind of red.
Mm-mm.
Have you been drinking too much red juice?
Mm-mm.
No.
It's just because the camera's red.
The camera's red.
Look at me. See?
Oh yeah. You look fine.
Mm-hmm. That's why it's on red vision.
Oh, it's on red vision?
Mm-hmm. So that means that it just turned that color because why? It is like so red in this picture that you press the red picture and now we're both red. You're red in the picture, but now you aren't.
Whoa. What's been your favorite thing we've done so far?
Well, we haven't been vlogging. We just been staying here for 7 minutes.
You like the blocks?
We didn't go to the blocks, remember?
You just built a house.
Dad.
Okay. I don't know what you're talking about. What you talking about?
Where we were. We live in a house far away and
Were we
nothing.
in China?
No.
This place is too red for me.
No, it's not red in here. See, we're red in the picture, but see, we're not red in the picture now.
Whoa.
It's not only us. It's because the picture, you just pressed red vision, and now we're all red in the picture. That's why.
What you talking about, Claire?
What we're doing. The camera is on red vision, and red vision means that it's on red vision, and the camera just pressed red, and so the picture is red all around us.
Do you remember whose favorite color is red?
China people.